Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Ryan Kerrigan here at MarineMax Danvers. Today we are on the 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage, one of our stock boats here in the showroom. Just going to take you through some of the features and optional equipment on board and let you guys get a good glance at the model. Starting in the transom for the platform, you're going to be at the max horsepower for this boat. It's a 400 Mercury Verado, one of the best platforms on the market right now. So you can get this boat up to roughly around 50 miles an hour, depending on gear and equipment. Pretty sizable swim platform. Blocked off swim ladder for safety there, all non-skid off the back. You got some rear rod holder storage, as well as access to your live well once we jump inside. Moving towards into the aft of the cockpit here. Some of the best features that Whaler does, starting with the coaming bolsters all the way throughout the boat. Really good for leaning up on the dock, or obviously if you're out fishing. You get cushion bolsters all the way around, nice and protected. A second follow-up to that, same thing, up at the dock, fighting a fish. You do have some nice tow railings on both the port and starboard side to keep you inside the boat. And one of the coaming bolsters does convert into a nice, large, and deep aft seat here, aft bench, to kind of expand the seating capability throughout the boat, which stows away very nicely, and again, converts back into that coaming bolster, which carries throughout the entire boat all the way up to the bow, which we'll get into. The showstopper here on this boat, in my opinion, is the multifunction port side lounger here. This is kind of the standard position here. You can have people seating forward and aft. You can also use this trigger function, which is super handy, to put it in a couple different positions. If you want a more rear chase lounge, even further, or if you want to convert it all the way down into a full bench style. And if you want to have a forward facing lounge seat, you have this really convenient backrest that pops up. This whole thing converts in. So really functional, really versatile, and gives you a bunch of different options for what you want to do, as well as some integrated storage as well. Again, on a nice gas assist trigger, super easy to pop up, put back to the original position. Cushions on the head compartment as well, so if you do have it rear chase, you're not up against just fiberglass. Moving towards the head here, very sizable, full vacuum flush with overboard discharge. It's very convenient. There's also a freshwater sink in there as well. Nice heavy handle, as Whaler's known for. And moving towards the helm, some of the optional equipment. You have a 12-inch Simrad multifunction display with all your charts, GPS, fish finder, all that good stuff. JL audio stereo, speakers throughout the boat, Bluetooth, in your Mercury vessel view, with additional engine diagnostics and stuff like that on that screen. Rocker style switches for all your lights, live well, raw water pumps, windlass controls there as well as your Mercury binnacle with auto trim, and access to the Lenco trim tabs as well. So very concise platform there to allow you to control everything on the boat. Fully enclosable boat with canvas, the weather curtain package. You can see the tracks up here. Obviously, we don't have the canvas up right now, but you can fully enclose this part, as well as shut the windshield and the wind door if you really want to get out of the elements for the day. But you can also open it right back up and turn it into a beautiful day boat. And up towards the bow, very ample, deep seating. You can see I'm about just up to my shoulder, so you do feel nice and secure in the boat. Storage underneath all of these seats, all removable cushions. These all pop up really nice, give you access to storage throughout the boat. So all these seats will have a different configuration of pop-up storage, insulated, draining, some yes, some no. And again, all the cushions are removable up here, so if you do want to have just non-skid for people boarding the boat or using it as kind of a casting platform, you can do that as well. And up in the bow, you do have access to your windlass anchor, controls here on the right, And you can also option a beach boarding ladder here. As you can see, it's just kind of non-skid there, but it does give you the option to add that in if you did want to. So very well thought out boat, guys, very versatile, good for fishing, good for water sports, family entertainment, plenty of seating throughout the boat. If you do want to come check out this model or anything else we have in the showroom, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers. My name's Ryan Kerrigan. Come down and see us some boats.